In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and share your AI chats, bulk, individual, and extension methods. Let's start with the most comprehensive option, exporting everything at once. From your account, look to the lower left corner and click on your profile initials. In the menu that opens, choose Settings, then navigate to the Privacy section. Here, you'll find the Export Data button. Click it to request a full export of your chats. The system will process your request in the background. This can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of conversations, so don't worry if it's not instant. When it's ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Open that message and click the link, and your file will begin downloading automatically. And keep an eye on your spam or promotions folder in case the email is filtered. Once downloaded, store the file somewhere secure, especially if your chats contain sensitive information. If you're on a shared or public device, move it to a private location before you open it. If you only need a single conversation, there's a quicker route that avoids a full export. Open the specific chat you want to share and look to the top right for the share button. Clicking it creates a shareable link for that conversation. You can copy the link and send it to collaborators or save it for your records. Before sharing, skim the conversation to remove any private details you don't want others to see. Remember that anyone with the link can view what's included, so share it thoughtfully and only with people you trust. Finally, if you want more control over formatting, a third-party extension can help. A popular option is AI Chat Exporter, which can output your chats in formats like Markdown or JSON. This is useful if you're organizing notes, publishing documentation, or integrating chats into other tools. When using any extension, install it from a reputable source, review the permissions it requests, and follow the on-screen prompts to select and export your chats. If you're working with sensitive content, consider anonymizing it before exporting. It's also smart to test the extension on a small chat first to make sure the output looks the way you expect. To recap, use the bulk export for a complete backup, the share link for a single conversation, and an extension when you need more structured formats. Choose the method that matches your goal to keep your data secure, and you'll have your chats exported and ready to use in no time.